Outside today, our average temperature is 94 degrees.
But inside my garage, it's even worse. We're hitting 120 degrees. Let's fix this heat problem with an EG4 Mini-Split.
Once the EG4 Mini-Split is installed, I can work comfortably in my garage on the coldest winter day.
I can also work comfortably on the hottest summer days.
Check out Signature Solar for all solar products.
This is our EG4 24K Hybrid Mini-Split from Signature Solar. EG4 24K Hybrid Solar Mini-Split. Specs, efficiency, solar and battery backup explained. What's up, everyone? Today we are diving into one of the most exciting HVAC products on the market for off-grid and energy-efficient living. The EG4 24K Hybrid Solar Mini-Split. This unit cools and heats and runs directly off solar. Power uses both DC and AC. This is DIY friendly and can save you tons on your power bills. Let's break every detail down. This is the 24,000 BTU hybrid solar DC-AC mini-split heat pump. About a 2-ton system, ideal for homes, cabins, offices, or shop spaces, up to roughly 1,350 square feet. It's Energy Star certified for high efficiency and off-grid use. Available models include standard, hybrid, AC/DC. That means you can operate this unit using solar panels direct, connection to AC, or both. It uses R410A refrigerant, quick connect, line set, LED remote control, and app support. This unit, using solar panels, direct connection to AC or both. Key specifications: heating and cooling capacity, nominal 24,000 BTU cooling, nominal 26,000 BTU heating. Oh, I love this puppy. Electrical and efficiency. AC input 208 to 240 VAC at 60 Hertz. Solar input 90 to 380 volts DC up to 2,200 watts of PV power. SEER2 efficiency 21, very high. HSPF2 9.6 heating efficiency. COP coefficient of performance 11.8. BTU watts, meaning it delivers roughly 11.8 units of heat for every unit of electricity used. Oh, units of heat for every unit of electricity used. That is a huge energy saver, and it does both heating and cooling. Pre-charged line set, 16.4 feet, quick connect included for your DIY install. This mini split uses plug-in cool, quick connect refrigerant lines. Factory pre-charged, so you don't need to vacuum or handle refrigerant like traditional units. No special HVAC tech required for indoor and outdoor setup. Indoor unit is wall mounted, comes with a remote and Wi-Fi app support. Outdoor condenser can be placed on a pad or wall brackets. Line side connects using quick connect fittings. Most DIYers with basic tools can handle it. Just follow the local code and safety guidelines. This unit accepts direct solar power from PV panels without needing an inverter or separate charge controller. During sunny periods, it can run entirely off solar, making it perfect for off-grid or grid tie and battery setups. This is our EG4 24K Hybrid Mini-Split from Signature Solar. 1600 to 2400 watts recommended PV array for best performance. Usually the 4 to 6 solar panels in the 400 watts range. It auto switches between solar only, grid only, or solar and grid. Real world tip. Many users report the unit can run completely on solar during the daylight hours with proper panel sizing.
Here are some of the features of the Mini-Split. Check out Signature Solar for all solar products. Use promo code US Classic Muscle Cars upon checkout.
This is our EG4 Hybrid Mini-Split from Signature Solar.